all today? I'm fine. My name is Rihanna. Today I'm making seed bomb. Boom, 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 boom. Start. For this project, we need newspaper. So hot. First, we tear the newspaper into small pieces. Thank you, Mama. আস্তে আস্তে ছেড়ো, start recording. Now it's all done. Now I pour some water into the bowl. Leave it for 1 hour. Now we blend the mixture. Now Mama's squeezing it. Now I have some neem and mustard seeds. I put it over here. Again I am covering the newspaper tray. Oh, it's all done. Let me take it out. Wow, it's so beautiful. When I go for a ride with my papa, I take all the seed bombs with me. I throw them